Hi, I'm Jackie.
And I'm Richard. We're Early Retirement Wanderlust and we're in Leger.
And it's a gorgeous day again.
Right, we're just about setting off. We had a bit of rain overnight, so it's cleared. We've got lovely blue skies, as you can see behind. I'm going to be a bit lazy today, head into town and get a lift.
Yep. Too much elevation over the last few days.
Legs are really tired. Had a great little camp last night down at the Air. Town
behind us.
You can just sort of see it there, maybe just there. So yeah, we're going to try and get a lift pass, see what we can do over the next few days. There's two sides of the valley, both are lift served, so we can get up high and do some walking without the hard work. So possibly the best 22 euros that we've spent in the holiday. Gets us an uplift today. There's no way down on this lift, so we're going to have a walk down once we've done a couple of the peaks up here, and then tomorrow it opens up. We're going to go the other side of the valley where there's a telecabine, and that takes us even higher, which opens up more hiking for us with less effort. We've got no idea. We've come off the path and we thought we followed the right path. We're seemingly at the wrong side of the mountain, but it's just a beautiful place. But now
we have no idea where we are, and we've got to go back up a huge hill to get back to where we came from.
I think we're in the wrong valley, and all roads lead away from where we need to be. So I'm going to do a bit more climbing. Right, so we're back here again, probably 40 minutes, an hour after we were here before, and we think that we're going that way.
And where we actually went was that way.
Which was very pretty, but it was, let's just sort that out, it was like 2k out of our way, and we've gained probably a cheeky 150 metres of free fitness. So, but it was very pretty down there, but we're now going to go that
right way.
Yeah. We think we're at the high point now at La Rosta. With all my technical know-how or lack of know-how, I'm going to try and take a still picture so we can plot and show hopefully where we've been and where we should have been. But it's been a beautiful walk around the ridge line of this valley, and it looks like we're going to get away without getting too wet. got back, had a quick beer. Jax, give us a stats, what we've done today.
Well, we've done just under 14 kilometres of walking and 596 metres of elevation, so pretty good day.
Lift, it was brilliant, but unfortunately it gives you like 600 metres that you've got to then come down on, so my feet are absolutely killing me. It was a long way, it was great, it was nice, it rained a bit, we got lost, standard
Would have been
Richard
2
jacket.
kilometres shorter if we hadn't got lost.
But yeah, we're going to have a few beers, pasta tea, fall asleep. Morning, it's a blue sky day, it's Sunday morning, and it's a really special Sunday morning. It's the last one of the summer holidays, and it's one that we would normally be stressing about going back to work.
And we're not going back to school.
We're not.
No more school.
So we're going up a mountain instead. The forecast is amazing for the full day, so we're going to take advantage of that, get a lift up and do a high mountain walk in the sun. It reckons it's going to be about 26 degrees all day, so that's how we're going to be spending our Sunday of the last day of the holidays.
I'm also going to find a cafe that's got a nice cold beer or an Aperol Spritz just to sit and celebrate.
However, life on the road is never easy. We ain't got much food in, so we are going to treat ourselves on a Sunday morning to some French pastries for breakfast. We've got to get some bread for our picnic, and that's us for the day. A very, very simple life.
All the pastries.
The bubble, and we're on our way up to Mont Chéri, but just looking out at the back, just over there, you can just about see Mont Blanc. The mountains just go on forever here.